Gingerbread cheesecake. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, then line 2 baking trays with baking paper. On a lightly floured surface, roll pre-made gingerbread dough out to a 3mm thick disc. Use a cookie cutter to cut out the gingerbread men and place on the lined trays. Carefully fold over the arms, leaving a gap that will hold a candy cane. Pop the gingerbread in the oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until lightly golden. Set aside on the trays to cool completely. Then reduce the oven temperature to 150 degrees Celsius and grease a 20 cm springform pan. Line the base and sides with baking paper. Next, break some of the cooked gingerbread men biscuits and Granita biscuits into the bowl of a food processor. Process until finely crushed. Add the butter and process until well combined. Spoon the biscuit mixture into the prepared pan and use a straight-sided glass to spread and press it over the base and sides. Place in the fridge for 30 minutes or until firm. Place the cream cheese, sour cream and sugar in a clean food processor and process until smooth. Add the eggs, ginger and mixed spice. Process until smooth and well combined. Now place the pan on a baking tray. Pour half the cream cheese mixture into the pan over the biscuit base. Drizzle with half the caramel topping and swirl with the skewer. Repeat with the remaining cream cheese mixture and caramel topping. Pop in the oven and bake for an hour until almost set. To test if the cheesecake is ready, gently shake it. It should have a slight wobble to it. Turn the oven off and use a wooden spoon to keep the oven door slightly ajar. Cool in the oven for 2 hours. Once cooled, remove the cheesecake from the oven and place in the fridge to chill. To serve, decorate the remaining gingerbread men with pre-made royal icing and candy canes. Drizzle the cheesecake with extra caramel topping and top with the gingerbread men and candy canes. This decadent cheesecake made with gingerbread cookies is perfect for any festive celebration.